Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm taking you through a full lash lift process, the perfect way to get naturally curled. Lifted lash without extensions. Step 1. Start by cleansing the lash to remove any makeup, oil, or residue. Clean lash help the solutions work better. Step 2. Choose the right silicone shield. Size for your lash, small for a tight curl. Medium or large for a softer, natural lift. Step 3. Apply the shield onto the eyelid using a gentle adhesive. Then carefully lift and stick each lash onto the shield using a lash tool or brush. Step 4. Apply the lifting solution from root to mid-lash, avoiding the tips. This softens the lash structure and helps reshape it. Step 5. After the set time, remove it gently and apply the setting lotion. This locks in the new lifted shape. Step 6. Once that's done, clean off any residue and apply a nourishing serum too. Rehydrate and protect the lash. And that's it, beautiful.